hard to find. There on your own, just passing through, just passing time. If I make this yours and you make it mine, well then we'll see. With golden eyes, so hard to find. There on your own, just passing through, just passing time. If I make this yours and you make it mine, well then we'll see.
Reality is this.
And also breaks and you guys what going on. But welcome to 2022. Like,
hi guys, good morning and welcome to a new vlog. I think I started this vlog yesterday, no, 2 days ago when I went to BGC. I just turned on this camera to beg you guys in God's name, please watch my videos to the end. Don't try to watch 2 minutes. Every video that I put out, just watch it to the end. Guys, I am having serious toothache. I've been having this toothache for about 3 days now. It's not letting me eat anything. It's just a ridiculous experience. I do not wish it for anyone. Toothache is so painful, like it is so painful. I'm not feeling my best. Today I plan to go out. Honestly, I don't even know where I'm going to, but someone is taking me out. Today I might be getting another phone because people call me and say you're not picking your calls, you're not, and they don't know the struggle. Okay, let me show you people the struggle. This is the struggle. This is the struggle. I can't do anything. Like, this phone is as good as useless. I can't do Instagram, I can't do WhatsApp. You call me from now to tomorrow, I cannot pick up. So I need to go and change it. I need to do something about it. I've been using this phone for 4 years now. Actually, I thought it was 3 years. Mad. I love it. Now I can film sit down videos. I've been avoiding sit down videos because I didn't have a mic, because my parlor, my sitting room kind of echoes a lot, and I noticed in the 3 videos that I've filmed so far in that sitting room, it echoes a lot, and I really needed to get a mic. My next sit down video is going to be bomb. I need to try this out. Okay, bye guys. Hi guys, I'm back home. I went to do how do I place you guys? Let me just keep it here. I went to get vaccine, you guys. So now I am fully vaccinated, and you guys just know that I don't like needles in any way. So I kind of did a little drama there. I mean, who's going to trick me without drama? It has never happened in the history of me taking syringes. You guys, my house is a total mess. I had guests here yesterday and the day before, I think, and you guys have not been able to touch up anything. Everywhere is just scattered. So I need to tackle that, and I also want to cook. I want to make ogbono soup and I want to make fried rice. I'll probably show you guys when I'm done. Yesterday I went to, what's it called, Green Hills. and I ended up not vlogging. I don't know what happened. I was just not in the mood, let me just put it that way. I was not in the mood to vlog shit at all. So yeah, I went there and I was gifted a phone. Okay. So yeah, I was gifted a phone, a new phone for my birthday. So yeah, that happened. Okay, mind you, I got an X few weeks back or thereabout. I thought I was done with phone for the year, but it's just not appropriate. And then I have an iPhone 6 that is filled up. Like even right now, I can't even open my WhatsApp. People have been telling me I'm calling you. They don't even understand that I'm struggling with space with the phone. Like the WhatsApp is not even opening at all, and I can't even do Instagram, nothing like that. I've taken paracetamol just because of this vaccine. I really don't want it to mess up with me in any way. You guys, I am dripping, and this is like natural light, natural glow, and it's Juicy Chicks oil. You guys, that glow oil is everything. Like just take a look. Negoti Beauty. I've been using the lip scrub as well and the lip balm. You guys, my lips has been so soft. Oh Jesus, I wish I had somebody to kiss me, because if this person kiss this lips is very, very juicy and soft. So I'm currently on my way to go and get my hair done. I feel like the aircon and everything is making noise, but ignore that. Yes, I ended up cutting my nails short. I don't know how to do long nails for real. Like it's just not my thing, and I need to be able to do stuff for myself. So this is how I'm looking. Just a green bag, pair of jeans, and then a white top. Yeah, that's all I'm wearing. I don't know what I'm going to wear for my feet yet. I'll figure that out when I go to the shoe rack. Just wanted to, you know, give you guys an OOTD, and I'll see you guys soon.